Hey guys, so these are my Sephora Vib recommendations.
I just wanna dance and feel good.
Carolyn's Hula Bronzer. Good for any skin tone. A little goes a long way. So make sure when you use this, it's really buildable. So go a little bit at a time. So hi guys, my camera keeps overheating. The sun's going down, so it might get a little bit darker in here if you notice that. The sun's just going down. So we were talking about bronzers, of what would be like the best bronzer for what skin type. Honestly, Urban Decay bronzer, I use this wintertime when I'm a lighter shade than summertime. This still gives me that perfect contoured, like chiseled look. Let's look at this. This backup blush is gorgeous. Absolutely love to wear. Look how pigmented that is. For those who are looking for like those rosy cheeks, that's really blendable, but that also gives you like a nice, really glowy, cute, alive look. This blush is really nice for that. It's so pretty. Just look at the color. It's so pretty. The packaging is pretty. Everything from Becca is pretty. Anastasia. It has 4 different colors. Darkest blush out of them all. This is really good for when you're traveling. You have the 4 options. You don't have to worry about misplacing all of your different makeup. This is all in one for different blushes. Really great deal. Do you think the glow kit from Anastasia is worth it? Please let me know down in the comments below, because I've been thinking about it lately and I'm not sure if I should get it. So let me know down in the comments below. Go comment. Setting your face. Greasy face. We don't want that. So for setting your face, I love the Laura Mercier setting powder. It is so thin and smooth. When you apply it, it gives you such a radiant look. It brightens up your eyes. It gives you that more of a youthful, not greasy, set makeup look. This really gives it a really nice matte look. So when it's really hot outside, I don't look like a grease ball. Bronzer and blush has it all. It's just, I think it's a great deal. It's really portable, nice packaging. It just has everything that you would need on your face. It's really great for traveling, and also has a mirror too. It has your basic bronzer, highlighter, and your blush. They are very pigmented. They give you such a nice look, especially paired together with it. And now, since we're on the topic of Urban Decay, I also have the Urban Decay Shadow Primer, which is one of the best primers that I've used. Really good for the sensitive eye area, sensitive skin, dry skin. This does not emphasize anything like that. It really primes your lids. Eyeshadows stand out a lot more and last a lot longer. We have to talk about lashes, because this girl loves falsies, loves lashes. I was not blessed in the department of beautiful long lashes area. Lashes, we have more of really short stubby lashes that grows down. Even after I curl it, apply mascara, still goes down, so that's really useless for that. So I go for false lashes. It really helps open up my eye, and I feel like personally it pulls the whole entire look together. When I have all my eyeshadow just by itself, I look insane. I look just not the look that I'm going for. But when I apply lashes, they just make it look so much more feminine. These lashes, Tarte's lashes, are one of my favorite lashes. I've been wearing these for about 2-3 years now. Backups, of course, because these are my favorite lashes. If you're looking for an eyeliner, I would definitely recommend the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. It's a really nice black, fine tip look, so you can create that perfect cut winged eyeliner. It doesn't smear, it doesn't budge. It's a great eyeliner. The next thing, if you're looking for more of like a crayon eyeliner, the Makeup Forever liner, like for under the eyes or your waterline, to create that depth and making your eyes look a lot larger. This is really good. It lasts. The Anastasia palette is great for that. Oh, it's upside down. The Anastasia palette is great for that. This Anastasia contour palette has beautiful packaging, matte black. When you open this up, you have 6 different shades. So the 3 bottom ones, you could tell 3 different contour shades. This one is the setting powder for lighter skin tone. This is a setting powder if you like that banana powder under your eyes to kind of brighten up my eyes, which I prefer this one, especially for my skin tone. I'm a little bit more tan. For this highlighter, it's more of a, if you like a settle, not as a blinding highlighter powder, I'll go for this one. But if you like highlighters and you like something that's like clearly blinding, like a lot of highlighter, like clearly blinding, the Tarte has really good highlighters. This is also a palette. It has 4 different shades. Open this. It smells like vanilla. It literally smells so good. Check out these shades. They are so pretty. I just want to show you how blinding like this one is. Ooh, look at that. Bridge of my nose, cheekbones, cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. This is one. Oh, that smells good. My brush smells like vanilla now. So this is the palette. It has 4 different shades. The lightest one gives you the most blinding highlighter effect. If you love that, definitely try out the Tarte's highlighter palette. And ooh, look at that palette. That's a cute package. What I really like to have in my purse, it's really portable. Blotterize by Beauty Blender. So when my face does get oily, I don't use powder because I just feel a lot cakey and I just don't like that method. This is, let's open this. So this is a little cute egg. So when you have oils, when you're greasy as fuck, use this and pat it on your face. It doesn't move your makeup and it also doesn't look blotchy or powdery. Definitely I would avoid powdering my face when I get greasy. I would use this to blot. I have a backup beauty blender, so if anything happens to this beauty blender, I will always have a backup so my face isn't looking crusty and just dry. Beauty blender is a must. I don't use brushes. When I do, I'm always disappointed. They don't make my face look flawless. They make my face look more streaky and more crusty. So we all have our different options and opinions of what we like to apply our foundations. It's just you need to find something that works for you and what you like and what works best for you. For something that might work for me might not work for you. So just find the things that would work for you. We have the Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. It has a little cute mirror too. This is so tiny. For this highlighter, it's soft. This is soft and really pretty. And this is more of like a golden goddess undertone. Comment down below what your favorite makeup brand from Sephora is. These are so full coverage. These are so pigmented. Bestie, which is a nude shade. Delish in more of a red shade, muted red shade. Like a dark red, like wearable red. And Get Lit, or Get It, not Get Lit. That's on their website. The paint from the Tarte Cosmetics collection. They are so pigmented. When I eat with these barely budge. If you're looking for something that's matte, that's not drying, and also when you eat it doesn't move, that actually still looks good after you're done eating, matte lip paint is the one. It's crazy how they formulate this, and it's also really good quality too. Minara's Orgasm Lip Gloss is really pretty on lips. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link that down in the bar below. I will show you how this looks on my skin tone and what makeup look that I would wear with this lip gloss. This smells so good. If you like something that's citrusy, but yet it smells like you just got out of the shower, but better. The Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, it's so pretty. This is the full size. It smells, it just reminds me of the ocean for some reason. It just takes me back to the day when I was traveling on the beach. It reminds me of so many good memories. Maybe that's why I like it so much, but the scent smells really good. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys did enjoy this makeup collection recommendation from Sephora. And also hit the little subscribe button down the bar below. It's free and it will let you know every time I post 1 to 2 times a week. And hit the little notification bell. It will let you know every time that I post. So join the community. What are you waiting for? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Crazy over you.